The 2020 Ram 1500 Built to Serve Edition. Ram's penchant for rolling out special edition trucks has paved the way for the truck brand to introduce a new run of special edition models that pay tribute to the 5 branches of the United States military. The special edition trucks fall under the Ram 1500 Built to Serve Edition name. Each of the 5 armed services, Army, Navy, Air Force, Coast Guard, and Marines, will receive their own special edition treatment. It's unclear which of the 5 will get rolled out first, but the specific launches will take place every 3 months, beginning next week when the truck brand hosts its own Veterans Day celebration on November 11. 2020 Ram 1500 Built to Serve Exterior Design. On the surface, the Ram 1500 Built to Serve Edition will be offered in 2 different colors, specifically Gator Green and Black Diamond. The latter is what you see in the press photos provided by Ram. It's a muted look, but it does fit in with the identity of the armed forces. There's nothing outwardly flashy about the color, but it gets the job done in creating an exclusive look for the special edition Ram 1500. The Gator Green color isn't flashy, either. It looks more like the military green color that we see in the uniforms of some of our soldiers. There's more color to it, and as far as personal...
To read the full article, check the link in the description. If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.